Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the iBELL IBL SEK18L Electric Kettle Plus. This is part of the J series from iBELL. This particular electric kettle has a capacity of 1.8 liters. This comes with automatic power off features, accurate temperature controller and 360-degree rotating base. This is made in Japan and comes with 12 years of excellence as well. Let's quickly take a look at some of the other features. Comes with high quality Thermistor, triple safety protection, high polished stainless steel, unique steam reactor setting, high quality finer filter, easy to operate stainless steel heating plate and bionic design. Power is 1800 watt and rated voltage is 220 volts, which is pretty standard. So the heating element inside this electric kettle comes with a power rating of 1800 watt. Now I will open this and show you what this electric kettle looks like. So this is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have a user manual for the electric kettle. This is the user manual for the iBELL SEK15L and 18L, the 1.5 liter and the 1.8 liter plus. Everything that you want to know is there in this document. And you also have this warranty card from iBELL. This is also a very important document. You should keep it very safe. This is the heating base for the electric kettle. This is a 360-degree swivel base, which means that when you put the kettle on top, you can rotate it on top of it like so without the wire causing any obstruction. And speaking of which, underneath this particular base, you will notice these grooves over here. The idea is that you'll be able to hide the wires, power cable around these grooves when you want to store this particular kettle. And speaking of the power cable, this is nearly a meter long PVC power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. Now let's take a look at the electric kettle in question. This is the iBELL SEK18L electric kettle. This comes with a stainless steel body. As you can see, this is 1.8 liter capacity. So it's one of the larger electric kettles that we have come across. This is the on-off button. This comes with auto on-off features, which means that when it's on, for instance, it's on right now, this indicator will start glowing as well. And when water has been heated completely, this indicator will switch off and this switch will go off as well. And this is how you open this particular electric kettle. As you can see, it comes with this pretty wide mouth and the interior is also made out of stainless steel. Furthermore, you also have this cool touch handle, which is made out of pretty solid ABS plastic. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the iBELL IBL SEK18L Electric Kettle Plus. Thank you for watching.